Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel Barclays credit card. To cancel your Barclays credit card, the first thing to do is to open a web browser. Now type in barclaycard.co.uk and search. You will then find yourself in the official website for Barclays card. There are a couple of options you can take when it comes to cancelling your Barclays card. The first option is by using Barclays card application, and the other option is by contacting customer service. Once you get to the official website for Barclays card, click the Contact Us button at the top right, and you will be provided with the list of options from where you can choose the Give Us a Call option. Call on this particular contact number and you will be talking to your customer service representative. Now you can go here and mention that you would like to cancel your credit card and they will guide you through necessary steps to close your account. Remember to settle any outstanding balances on the card before canceling it. So that is how you can easily cancel your Barclays credit card. Some banks can process the cancellation immediately during a phone call or online request. In most cases, the cancellation process will take a few business days, since the bank needs to verify your account details, ensure any pending transaction, and update the record. Once your credit card is cancelled, you will be able to receive a confirmation email or letter. So that is how you can easily cancel your credit card. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.